Alright guys, what do? It's your boy X coming at you guys with another video. Now, for today's video, I got us a special thing we're going to do. I want to truly show people that it is possible to start generating income with your money. And yes, it's going to start off fairly slow, but it will grow using one of my favorite means to make money, which is dividend investing. Now, in this video, what I'm going to do, I'm going to start me a completely new portfolio, and I'm going to start buying into this portfolio. Maybe on a bi-weekly basis when I get paid, I'm just going to buy in. I'm going to completely start a brand new dividend portfolio that you guys can see will grow every step of the way. I'm going to show you every stock I purchased, why I purchased it, my strategy, what I'm doing to grow my account. I'm going to do this because I want to show people that you really can grow your money, starting off with a little like $25, $30, $50, $100. You don't need hundreds and thousands of dollars to start making your money work for you.
Whoa, what?
You just need to start now. So I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to do it. I'm going to show you step by step of the way. So let's get into today's video. Okay, so first thing first, we gotta get us a brokerage, right? So I was trying to see which brokerage I want to use, and what brokerage I decided on was Robinhood. Why? Because a lot of people use Robinhood. A lot of people know Robinhood. As bad as the controversy around Robinhood has been this year, people still know what Robinhood, because it's like it's really what fueled this past era, or just year. I won't say era. It's really fueled this past year with COVID to flood people into starting investing, to realize that you can actually make money this way. So why not use Robinhood? I'm going to use it. So if you are interested in doing this, and you know you like the video, you're interested, hey, you want to start, which hopefully you do, I really strongly recommend it. My referral link to Robinhood is in the description. Why am I telling you this? I'm telling you this because if you use the referral link to set your account up, you get a free stock.
What?
By you getting a free stock, you can get that stock, hold it for a couple of days, sell it, and use that money plus money that you're going to put in anyway to start your dividend portfolio, and it just be extra, just free money. So why not use it? Alright guys, so Robinhood is going to be a play for us. So I already started my account. I actually already had one, I just wasn't using it. But upon me logging back in, I found out that I had a couple free claim stocks because a couple people used my reference link down below and was able to get them account started. Whoever them people are, I appreciate you. But I want to use those stocks I got with them, hold them for a couple of days, sell them, and that's going to help further fund my dividend portfolio. Now, the way I'm going to come at this portfolio is I want to maximize the payout so I can help grow this account fairly quick. I'm never going to pull anything out of the account. I'm only going to add in. So my ideal is every month, whichever EX date is coming up, all the money that I put in for that month is going to get put into that said stock because it's EX date is coming up. Why am I doing this? The EX date is pretty much the date that you must hold said stock before you receive the dividend payout. So I have no idea what the actual name of this strategy is, but this is what I'm doing. So pretty much, like I said, let's say the stock I pick, the EX date is 30 days away. For the next 30 days, I will only invest into that said stock until the EX date is up. Then the next EX date coming up, I will start only investing until that one, until the EX date up, and then so on and so forth. Starting off with this portfolio, I'm only going to pick 3 stocks. Why 3 stocks? I'm picking 3 stocks that will pay out vice versa in month-wise to each other. What that means is every dividend stock pays out every 3 months. So let's say in January, it will pay out January. It will skip February, May, and then it will pay out again. Then skip the next 2 months, pay out again. So whatever stock pays out in January, my next stock I pick will be a stock that pays out in the month of February, right? And then after that, I will pick a stock that pays out in March, and then I will Then go back to the first stock that I invested in January because they, 1, 2, 3. It'll start over. 1, 2, 3, start over. 1, 2, 3, start over.
You smart.
That is why I'm doing it. So 3 stocks in this portfolio. And like I said, we're gonna dump as much money as we can before the EX date to help build this portfolio kind of fairly quick. Still gonna take some time, but still fairly quick. That's the strategy we're gonna use, guys. That's the strategy because I just want to show you that you can use as little as possible to slowly watch your money grow. Starting off, I may not even make $1, but give me a month, 2 months. It's gonna go from $1 to 2 to 3 to 5 to 10.
What'd you say?
From $1 to 2 to 3 to 5 to 10, so on and so forth.
Oh, like that!
So let's go ahead and get this money deposited, right? All right, guys. So to start off with the portfolio, we got that $100 invested. Let's go. Now, what are we gonna do here? Starting off, like I said, you can use a site called Dividend.com. When using Dividend.com, you can type in ticker symbol. Ticker symbol will be the symbol that you can use to search for said stock. In this case, the ticker symbol I'm using, and the stock, of course, is OKE. It's like one OK, but the ticker symbol is OKE. This is the first stock we're adding to the portfolio. Why? Because they have a very high dividend payout, has a good yield, and they've been paying dividend for a fairly long time. And the dividend has a good dividend growth rate, right? So that's the stock we're going to use. Stock is around $53. So even if we have 100, we should be able to acquire 2 shares, which would pay us, I think, about 94 cents. So 94 plus 94 is like what? Quick math here.
Boom. 2 plus 2 is 4. Minus 1, that's 3. Quick math.
Quick math here. You don't want these problems. What's that? 8, 18, what, $1.84. Ooh, you saw that? Ooh, you heard me. Math, man. Calculus. I'm on it. But that'll be $1.84 I will make, right? That's if I can. That's only with the 2 shares that I will accumulate, which is the $100 down payment, $100 deposit. But that they have not yet released the EX date, so the EX date could potentially be 2 to 3 weeks out. So within that time, if I can muster up any more money, I can potentially gain more shares before the EX date. So the plan is to be cheap, live frugal, save as much money as possible, and maybe when I get paid, after I pay all these bills, of course, because we big poor. But after we pay these bills, I'm pretty sure I have some money left over, and if so, we can dive an extra $100 into the portfolio, maybe 50. We will see. I have to buy some windows, so long story. But we'll see if we can get some more of those shares. Like I said, the more shares we get for the EX day, the higher the dividend payout, which means the more we can start accumulating more money. That's the goal here, guys. We want to create maximum income to grow this portfolio as fast as possible. So that's the video this time. Like I said, we're going to get that deposit, and I'll give you guys an update if I make another deposit. Hopefully so. But stay tuned. I really want you guys to follow this series because it's truly meant to show you guys that you can start with any number amount and they'll just slowly trickle, and just grow your money. The trickle effect is real. But hope you guys stay tuned. I hope I'll be dropping another video on this. If not 2 weeks later, maybe 3. We will see. But I'm going to show you guys how to do it. It's possible. Just start now. Truly, just start now. So, but don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the video. And it's your boy Axel, and I'm out.